Today we're doing build a boat for treasure. It'll work. Why am I saying sorry? Can you guys see slow? Okay, I'm going to red team because he's gonna complete this thing. Red. Change. What that's me. It's the next episode, maybe. I feel, but hey, who knows? I'm making my own boat on me. Here. Doesn't seem like red wants to be my team, so let's try blue. No, just two guys. Here we have to. Boys, Vicky first and third Facebook. Sorry guys, the game is so slow. My Chromebook. What's the head? Turn that to right. So make sure everything's been loaded. Sorry guys, taking so long. You guys can let me so long because I only have 15-minute limit on YouTube, so I can't do really more than 15 minutes. That's why I'm cutting, videos about indie game stuff. So I'm sorry, guys. We can put this the anvil looks like right there. Here, captain's chair right here. What the heck is that noise again? What? Oh, you don't have all these books. Wow, it's a little books. Okay, I'm going crazy now, guys. Oh my god. Computer may not survive today. I just flickered here. Can it keep flickering a lot? I don't know. That's so close. That's gonna creep. I actually know. I'm gonna use this thing right here. Looks much neater. Okay, it keeps flickering, guys. Oh my god. Okay, that's weird how I can't burn. No, here's not the on TV. 2, 3, and then 1, 2. Couple of bit like right. So almost getting it. How many do I want? Oh, right here. Oh my god, I think I got stuck. Oh, no, never mind. There we go. That's why I wanted to see like a little bit. Yeah, we got 6 short bags. Cool. So, left, okay, so I'll put that right there. See, they got that block back. So, and we put that block there. Then we got this thing right here. To go. Here. Yep, good. I went to that.